and welcome back to my channel, Time to Cook. Today, I will be making a delicious Indian flatbread known as naan. This bread is so soft and chewy, and you will not believe just how easy it is to make. Now, naan bread is traditionally served with Indian dishes like curry, but it can be eaten with hummus. It can be torn and dipped into many sauces and stews. It can be filled with various meats and vegetables and used like a wrap, or even topped with marinara and cheese to make a delicious pizza. Now, naan bread is similar to pita. However, it includes yogurt and an egg, so it is more of an enriched dough, which is what really gives it its nice, soft, and chewy texture. All right, are y'all ready to get started? I want to show you everything that you will need to make your delicious naan bread. But before I do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also if you want to be notified when I upload new recipes, hit the little notification bell. All right, so to my KitchenAid bowl, I'm going to add 2 1/4 teaspoons of a dry active yeast. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/2 cup of warm water. Now I'm going to let this sit for around 5 minutes until it gets nice and foamy. All right, as you can see, the yeast has activated, and so now I'm going to add 2 1/2 cups of an all-purpose flour. And I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, and the recipe calls for 1/2 cup of yogurt, but these little yogurt cups here measure out to be right around 1/2 cup. So I'm just going to use this 1 small container of a Greek yogurt, a plain Greek yogurt. Then I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, but what I like to do is I like to just put my olive oil all around the edge of the bowl. That way when it starts to mix, it kind of makes it a little bit easier to come away from the sides of the bowl. That's all there is to it. I'm just going to put my dough hook attachment onto my KitchenAid and begin to mix. Okay, so my dough is done, and it is a little bit sticky, but that's okay. I'm going to take another clean bowl and I'm going to spray it with a non-stick spray. And then I'm going to remove this dough and place it into my bowl. Okay, and then I'm just going to place a nice clean towel over my bowl, and I'm going to set it on top of my stove. And I have my oven set at 170 degrees, which is the lowest temperature that it'll go. And I'm just doing that so it'll give my dough a nice warm place to rise. And this should take about an hour, and the dough should almost double in size. Okay, so my naan bread has been rising for 1 hour, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump it out onto a nice floured surface. And I'm also going to flour the top of my naan, just so it's not quite as sticky. And then I'm going to cut them into around 10 to 12 pieces. It just really depends on how large you want your naan to be. Okay, so I have cut my dough into 12 pieces, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll each piece out, and then I have my cast iron grill pan over here, and it's getting nice and hot. I'm going to place each dough onto the grill pan and fry it up on each side. My last naan bread I'm frying up. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to eat these. Just look at this beautiful naan bread. I mean, it is so soft and chewy, delicious. Oh my goodness, check it out. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed seeing just how easy it is to make naan bread. I really do think that you should give this a try. And you will also want to watch my next video that is coming out, because it is something delicious that is going to go with this bread. I have some chicken that is marinating in my refrigerator. Hint, hint. So until next time, God bless. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with another recipe.